Today I want to share a message with you. It's a different kind of message, a message of hope, of strength, and of possibility. It's about recognizing the power you hold within yourself to reshape your life, even if you've been through experiences that make you feel powerless. Now, whether you're just starting to rebuild or you're deep in your journey of healing, remember that change is possible. And it begins within. This isn't going to be a meditation, but you are welcome to sit still and close your eyes if you feel called to do so. You can put this on as you drive to work or get ready for your day. The messages are meant to shift your awareness and be absorbed by your conscious mind, no matter how you listen. I'm going to talk about 3 powerful universal principles that helped me on my journey towards healing, and my aim is to begin to expand your awareness to a reality that exists on an energetic plane. Healing is, after all, raising our conscious awareness, raising our awareness from that of your wounding to a reality that exists outside of that very limiting lens. The 3 laws I'm going to talk about are the laws of attraction, the law of assumption, and the law of vibration. And together, these laws can help us understand how our thoughts shape our reality and how you can use them to transform your life after experiencing hardship, abuse, or trauma. Part 1, Introduction to the Law of Attraction. The law of attraction is likely familiar to many of us. This principle states that what we focus on, we attract into our lives. It tells us that our thoughts are like seeds. The thoughts we nurture and hold on to are what ultimately shape our experiences. So if we are constantly thinking thoughts rooted in fear, self-doubt, or unworthiness, our lives will often reflect those same emotions back to us. It is a vicious cycle when you are trapped in it. But here's the empowering part. You can break it. When you've been in an abusive relationship or other toxic environment, it's natural to internalize negativity. Thoughts like I'm not good enough, or I don't deserve better, or I'll never be free can become regular voices in our minds. These thoughts are often planted by the people who seek to control us. But over time, they become so ingrained in our experience that they start to feel like truths. But they aren't truths. They are beliefs, and beliefs can be changed. To begin using the law of attraction in your life, start with one key practice: observation without judgment. This is why creating a meditation practice is so powerful. Pay attention to the thoughts you are focusing on daily. Notice them without self-criticism. Every time a thought of self-doubt or fear arises, just observe it. The very act of observation creates distance. And with that distance, you gain a measure of control. This is the first step towards changing what you attract. Imagine that you're planting seeds for a garden. Would you plant weeds? No, you would choose flowers and herbs and trees that will nourish and sustain you. In the same way, choose thoughts that align with what you want to experience. Think thoughts of self-compassion, worth, and growth, even if they're just small steps at first. Over time, these seeds grow into a more empowering reality. Part 2, the law of assumption, embracing a new reality. The law of assumption states that whatever we assume to be true about ourselves and our lives becomes our reality. It's about believing that the reality you desire already exists within you. So for those of us who've experienced abuse, this can be very challenging. We may have been told repeatedly that we are unworthy, that we're not enough, or that our dreams are unrealistic. But here's the thing. The universe responds not just to what you want, but to what you assume is true about yourself. If you assume you are not capable or deserving, life reflects that assumption back to you. But if you assume that you are worthy, resilient, and capable of creating positive change, then life begins to shift in that direction. To apply the law of assumption, start practicing affirmations that align with your desired reality. Even if it feels unfamiliar or uncomfortable, start saying statements like, I am worthy of love and respect. I am healing. Or I am building a life of peace and fulfillment. Speak these affirmations aloud, write them down, and most importantly, feel them. Feel the truth of these words as they vibrate in your body, as though they are already your reality. Over time, these assumptions about yourself become the foundation upon which you build a new life. This isn't about ignoring pain or brushing off past experiences. It's about consciously choosing to embrace a vision of who you're becoming. Imagine that you're moving through a door into a new reality, leaving behind the shadows of past beliefs that no longer serve you. Part 3, understanding the law of vibration. The law of vibration states that everything in the universe is energy, including our thoughts and emotions. The frequency of our energy attracts experiences that match that frequency. When you're feeling empowered, hopeful, and aligned with positive beliefs, you attract experiences that resonate with that energy. But let's be realistic, it's not always easy to feel positive, especially when healing from abuse. Emotional scars run deep, and it's completely natural to feel sadness, anger, or grief. You don't have to force yourself to be positive. Instead, focus on raising your vibration in ways that feel authentic. Here's an exercise to help with this. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine you're surrounded by a soft, healing light. This light holds the energy of peace, safety, and love. Allow that light to fill you from head to toe. Feel its warmth in your heart. And every time you breathe, you're raising your vibration, one breath at a time. Now, when it feels right, introduce small practices that uplift your energy, like gratitude. Think of one thing you're grateful for, no matter how small. Perhaps it's the courage to start this journey, or a moment of kindness you experienced today. Gratitude is a powerful way to raise your vibration, inviting more experiences in that match it. And every time you consciously elevate your energy, you're signaling to the universe, I am ready for a life that reflects this peace and positivity. As you continue to nurture this energy, life begins to align in ways that you have never experienced. Part 4. Combining the laws to transform your life. Now that we've explored the laws of attraction, assumption, and vibration, let's talk about how you can use them together to reclaim your power. First, start each day with intention. Take a moment in the morning to set a thought, an assumption, or a feeling that aligns with the life you want to create. You might say, today I choose peace. or I assume that good things are on their way to me. This practice doesn't erase challenges, but it helps to frame each day as an opportunity for growth and positive change. Next, consider writing down 1 or 2 assumptions you'd like to integrate into your life. For example, I am enough, or I deserve respect and kindness. Place these affirmations somewhere you can see them, like on your mirror or beside your bed, and allow them to become your new reality. Finally, surround yourself with reminders of this journey. Choose uplifting music, books, or people who resonate with your vision of a healed and empowered life. This is all part of consciously raising your vibration. Reclaiming your power. I want to leave you with this thought. You are worthy of the life you desire. No matter what's happened, no matter what you've been told, your true nature is powerful, resilient, and capable of transformation. The universe is not separate from you. It's within you, responding to your energy, your thoughts, and your beliefs. So as you step forward on this path, know that you're planting seeds of love, strength, and possibility. You have the power to create a life filled with peace, respect, and fulfillment. All it takes is a willingness to believe in your worth, even if it's just a whisper at first. If you need guidance on how to start building your self-worth, I am offering you an opportunity to download the first 7 days of my 30-day alignment journal for free. This will allow you to begin your journey to connect with your inherent value. I will put the download link in the description. Today, I want you to commit to yourself, to commit to this journey, and to commit to the reality that you deserve. Allow the universe to support you as you transform. And remember, you hold the power to shape your life. One thought, one assumption, and one vibration at a time. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.